fine and fit. Subject English. Revision 3.1 Poem Mice. Children, let's listen and repeat. I think mice are rather nice. Their tails are long, their faces small. They haven't any chins at all. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. They nibble things they shouldn't touch, and no one seems to like them much, but I think mice are rather nice. Written by Rose Ferryman. Children, let's listen and understand this poem. Here in this poem, the poetess Rose Ferryman thinks that mice are rather nice. She likes mice. She tells that they are nice, they are good, and their faces are small. They don't have chins at all. Do we have tail? No. Do we have chin? Yes. Children, now let's see second paragraph. Their ears are pink, their teeth are white. They run about the house at night. Children, she says their ears are pink and their teeth are white. Children, do you know how your teeth are? Yes, they are white. Mouse teeth are also white. The poetess says that they are running at night when we are sleeping. They are making noise in the kitchen, the vessels falling down, and they are moving, running in the house at night. They chew the things, they nibble the things, and so we do not like mice, but the poetess like mice. When our mummy knows, when she sees the mice, she wants to trap them and remove the mice away from our house. Let's revise this lesson. Answer the following questions. Have you ever seen a mouse? Yes, children? Yes. Answer is yes. I have seen a mouse near my school, near my house, near my building. You can write. Now, next question. What will you do if you see a mouse in your house? Yes, tell me. Yes, you can answer. If you see a mouse in my house, I will get scared and call my mother to catch the mouse. Now, match the following. Let's match the following words. Now, long tails. Then, small faces. Pink ears. White teeth. Children, now let's see activity time. It's activity time page number, textbook page number 834. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Here children, different words are given. You have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means to arrange the words from A to Z. So we will arrange the words starting with alphabet A and till alphabet Z. So let's see words. So let's see with the word A. Any word is given with the word A? Yes, axe. Now next word. So now the next word is, let's see the word. It's starting with B. But we have got two words. So let's see the word with B. Two words starting with B are balloon and a boy. Yes. So we have to see the second alphabet. Now in balloon, the second alphabet is starting with A. So we'll write the second word balloon. Then we'll go to the third word, that we'll write boy. Then other words starting with C. Let's see any word starting with C. Yes, it is clock. We'll write the fourth word, clock. Then any word starting with D? Yes, it's dog. The other word starting with E? No, there's no word starting with E. Right. Then other word starting with F. It is father. Yes, so we'll write sixth word, father. Now seventh word, after F comes G alphabet. Any word starting with G? Yes, it's garden. Now after G comes H. Any word starting with H? Yes, it's hen. Then I, J. No word with I and J. Then comes with K, king. Any word starting with, after K comes, yes, tell me children, after K, which is the word? Yes, no alphabet with L. Then with M. The other alphabet with M is mother. No alphabet with N. Then O, no alphabet. Then P. P, yes, you can write the word peacock. Then other word comes with Q. Yes, any word with Q? Yes, it's queen. Now the other word with, after Q come on, R, no word alphabet. No word is given with R. So now S, school. Yes, any word given S, T. After S comes T. So word with T is temple. Any word with U? No. V? No. W? No. Then comes the word alphabet with Z. It is zebra. Yes, children? Children, what do you see in the picture? Yes, children? Yes, you can see a rainbow. Yes, when do you see a rainbow? We see a rainbow mostly in a rainy season. Children, can you tell how many colors are there in a rainbow? Yes, yes, tell me. Yes, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. You can see these 7 colors. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Yes, these are the 7 colors of a rainbow. We call it as Vibgor also. Now children, in this picture you see, this picture of a rainbow is given. You have to color a rainbow, and in the next picture you see, and write the names of the colors of the rainbow. Just now I have explained you the colors. You can write the colors. Now answer the following. Have you seen a rainbow? Yes, tell me. Yes, we see a rainbow in the sky in a rainy season. Do you like to paint? Tell me. Yes, I like to paint. Okay, third question. What is your favorite color? Children, you can write any of your favorite color. Red, pink, yellow, green, any which you like. Now question, frame the sentence using the words given below. Big. You have to add this word to complete your sentence. The word will be there in a sentence. Now big. I saw a big blue balloon. The word blue is big is there in a sentence. Now like. I like to eat mango. Now third question is fairy. I saw a fairy using a magic wand. Now children, let's see the action words. Action words or doing verbs are verbs. Here in the picture you can see a boy is eating and a girl is sleeping. A cow is drinking. A boy is crying. Some children are playing football. In the next picture you can see children are studying and woman and girl are cooking food. The words that tell what a person, animal or thing does are called doing words. Doing words are also called Action words. Action words are called verbs. Here in this picture, you can see a picture of a woman and a girl. What are they doing? They are cooking food. Here the boy and girl, what are they doing? They are painting a picture. In this picture, you can see what a boy is doing. A boy is drinking milk. In this picture, what you can see, a girl is combing hair. Here the action like cooking, painting, drinking, combing, all are the actions done by them. Now, look at the picture, listen and read. 3.3, let's speak. Look at the picture, listen and read aloud. In the first picture, you can see what a girl is doing. A girl is riding a bicycle. She is sitting on a bicycle and riding a bicycle. In the second picture, what you see, a boy is climbing a tree. You see, children, when you go to village, you can see you mostly feel like you climb a tree. Then in third picture, what the woman is doing, a woman is driving a car. She is sitting on a seat of a drive. She is driving a car. In the next picture, you can see a man is ironing clothes. He is ironing his clothes and getting ready for his office. Now in fifth picture, what you can see, a girl is skipping a rope. She is playing with a rope. In sixth picture, a man is driving a tractor. This you can mostly see in villages. In the fields, the farmer is always sitting on a seat and driving a tractor. In the next picture, you can see a woman is planting rice saplings. She is planting small plants of rice. In eighth picture, you can see a boy is riding a horse. He is sitting on a horse and riding a horse. In the ninth picture, you can see a girl is feeding a cow. She is making a cow eat a grass. She is feeding a cow. Children, 3.4 story time. Nina's dream. Nina was a little girl. She lived in a small village near Devnar in Konkan. Her parents worked in the field. Her village was near the sea. Her brother went to the grassland to graze their cows. Means he took the cows for grazing in the field. The older girls from her lane went to bring firewood from the forest. Nina sat under a mango tree and watched the birds and clouds, and she wanted to fly like them. When she saw fishes in the sea, she wanted to swim and see what is there on the other side. When her mother heard her wishes, she smiled and said, Girls cannot do all these things. Nina felt, will my wishes ever come true? One day, a smart lady came to their village. She had bag, some books and a purse on her shoulder. Nina ran to her and asked, Who are you? Are you going to live in our village? The lady smiled and said, Yes, I am Rutuza. I am going to live in your village. We are going to start an activity center here for a little girls like you. I also lived and went to school in a small village like this. Nina was happy. She told Rutuza. She held Rutuza's hand and took her home. She offered her some tea and ladus. Rutuza said, Thank you, Nina. I am a pilot, but I have left the job because I want to teach different things to the little girls from villages. A pilot? Really? Nina was jumping with joy. See, mother, girls can fly. Rutuja smiled and said, they can sail across the oceans too. Mother was very happy. Nina ran out to tell everyone about a new activity center. Children, now let's revise the textbook exercise, page 39. Complete the following sentence by using the words and phrases given in the box. Children, here the words are given in the box and we have to complete these sentences. Here, Nina, first one. Nina was a, come on children, tell me, Nina was a little girl. Yes, Nina was a little girl. Second, Nina lived in a, where she lived? In a village. Nina lived in a village. Third, her parents worked in the, where the parents worked? In the field. Fourth one, her brother went to the grassland to graze their cattle. Fifth, the older girls went to the forest to bring firewood. Sixth, one day a smart lady came to their village. 7. The smart lady was a pilot. B. Find the opposite words of the following from the story. First, far, near. Opposite of far is near. Back, opposite will be front. Younger, opposite is older. Big, opposite will be small. False, opposite is true. Then sad. Opposite of sad is, tell me children, you know, happy.